Good morning, children. Today I am taking 10th class and subject is biology. Already vitamins. Today I am taking vitamins topic. Already I explained you four experiments are over. Some important topics are also over. Now today I am very important topic I am going to discuss vitamins. So in this vitamins, first fat soluble vitamins. There are four types of fat soluble vitamins are there. First one is the retinol. Retinol, okay, A vitamin. This is the A vitamin, scientific name is retinol. And the next one is calciferol. Calciferol. So D vitamin. So D vitamin scientific name is calciferol. And the next one E vitamin. E vitamin scientific name is tocopherol. Tocopherol. And the fourth one is the K vitamin. Okay, scientific name is phylloquinone. Phylloquinone. Okay. Here I am discussing the fat soluble vitamins. There are four types of fat soluble vitamins. These vitamins can soluble only fats only, not a water. There are two types of vitamins are there, water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Some vitamins are soluble in a water, some vitamins are soluble in a fat. Okay, these are the fat soluble vitamins: A vitamin, D vitamin, E vitamin, K vitamin. Okay, remember fat soluble vitamins: A, D, E, K. Okay, EDIC. You remember this is a code word, EDIC. Okay, these all are the fat soluble vitamins. A vitamin scientific name is retinol. And the D vitamin scientific name is calciferol. And the E vitamin scientific name is tocopherol. And the K vitamin scientific name is phylloquinone. Okay, understood? So what is the name of the diseases? If we will not take the A vitamin, what will happen? What disease it will come? So what is that? Night blindness. Night blindness. Night blindness means after 6 o'clock we can't see. Okay, that is called the night blindness. And the next one, calciferol, rickets. Okay, it is effects on the hands or legs. And the next one is the tocopherol, sterility. So sterility in the males, abortions in the females, and some problems and sexual problems in the males, like that. Okay, tocopherol. And the next one is the phylloquinone, overbleeding. Okay, if this vitamin will absence in our body, what will happen? Overbleeding is happen in our body. These all are the four types. Okay, and the next symptoms. A vitamin symptoms is the scaly skin. How can we identify this A vitamin is absent in our body? So we will get the scaly skin in our body. And the rickets, what are the symptoms? These all are the symptoms. Okay. If this A vitamin is absent in our body, we get the scaly skin. And night blindness is a deficiency disease. Symptoms are this is scaly skin. It will happen the scaly skin. Oh, in our body A vitamin is absent. We have to take the A vitamin. You have to realize. And the calciferol, rickets, improper formation of the bones mainly. Okay, symptoms. And the next tocopherol, I told you, sterility in males and abortion in females. And the phylloquinone, over bleeding, means delay in blood clotting also. Delay in blood clotting. You know that what is the blood clotting. Okay, if we stop, if in our body any injury will come, so that what is the blood, it will stop the blood. Okay, that this vitamin will help to in that delay in the blood clotting. Understand? So next one is and here the some what is that? Fat soluble over. Now water soluble vitamins are there. Water soluble vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6 and B12 vitamins are there. B1 vitamin scientific name is thiamine, and the B2 vitamin name is riboflavin, and the B3 is the niacin, and the B6 is the pyridoxine, and the B12 is the cyanocobalamin. So thiamine, if absent this B1 vitamin in our body, so we'll get the beriberi disease. Already explained in our live class also. You people came to class, I explained already. Once again I am repeating this. Thiamine, if thiamine vitamin will not take, what will happen? Beriberi, and riboflavin, glossitis, and niacin is pellagra, and pyridoxine B6 vitamin, anemia, and cyanocobalamin anemia, folic acid anemia, and the next pantothenic acid burning feet. These all are the vitamins. Will get the some diseases also. I told you, explained you. Once you write in your notebook and keep in a WhatsApp group. Thank you, children.